Are you having problem on the Marriott Bonvoy application? Like the application keeps on crashing or it's not loading properly? There are some things that you can try in order to fix that problem. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't face any kinds of internet issues. However, if you do face any other kinds of problem, you want to simply go to your settings, scroll down and tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Marriott Bonvoy application. Tap on Show All, tap on Marriott Bonvoy, and simply offload the app from here. After that, you want to tap on Reinstall Application, and what this does is it deletes the application while keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of problem. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, you want to simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.